In the quiet forest, deep and wide, where golden sunbeams love to hide, the gentle breeze began to sway, whispering love to trees that day. The river blushed a silver blue, humming a song the flowers knew. Petals smiled in colors bright, dancing softly in the morning light. The mountains hug the clouds above, sharing warmth, the sign of love. Birds sang sweetly from every tree, nature's in love, wild and free. And when the stars lit up the night, they winked at earth with glowing light. For every creature, big or small, knows love is nature's gift